Is listing factors exhausting when finding the greatest common factor? Now, what if I told you there's a more efficient way? Introducing the ladder method, where you factor a common factor from both numbers until you can't anymore.
So, I know that they both have a factor of 4 in common. Can I factor that out?
Yep, and when you factor a 4 from both numbers, you're left with 24 and 30.
Now, I know 6 is a factor of both 24 and 30, so I'm going to factor 6 out. Now I'm left with 4 and 5, and they have no other factor in common besides 1. So, what do I do?
That means you're done. You multiply the factors you factored out to get your greatest common factor. 4 times 6 is 24, so the greatest common factor of 96 and 120 is 24. But wait, there's more! The ladder method with two numbers can also find the least common multiple of the two numbers by multiplying the factors you factored out and the remaining numbers.
So the least common multiple of 96 and 120 is 4 times 6 times 4 times 5?
You got it.
Well, 4 times 6 is 24, 4 times 5 is 20, 24 times 20 is 480. So the least common multiple of 96 and 120 is 480.
Yep, and we can see how this method works with the Venn diagram.
So does this mean I never have to list factors ever again?
Well, I personally think it's good practice to list factors, but it's generally not the most efficient way of finding the greatest common factor. For example, we can also use the Euclidean algorithm, but that's for another infomercial.
Wait, I'm in an infomercial right now? I didn't sign any contract.
Due to some difficulties, Howie is unavailable right now, but try the ladder method, money back guarantee.